Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect iCloud to Microsoft Outlook, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect iCloud to Microsoft Outlook, first, ensure you have the latest version of Outlook installed on your computer. Next, open your web browser and navigate to the Apple ID website. Sign in using your Apple ID credentials. Once signed in, go to the Account Settings section. Look for the option that says Generate Password. Create an app-specific password for Outlook. Make a note of this password, as you will need it later. Now, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. In Outlook, go to the File menu in the upper left corner. Click on Account Settings, then select Account Settings again from the drop-down menu. In the Account Settings window, go to the Email tab. Click on New to add a new account. Choose Email Account and click Next. Fill in your name and the iCloud email address you want to connect. In the Password field, enter the app-specific password you generated earlier. Make sure to select IMAP as the account type. For incoming mail server, enter imap.mail.me.com. For the outgoing mail server, enter smtp. Outlook will attempt to log in to your iCloud account. If successful, you will see a confirmation window. Click Finish to complete the setup process. Your iCloud email should now be connected to Microsoft Outlook. To verify, check the folders and emails that appear in your Outlook inbox. You can also configure calendar and contacts by accessing the same Account Settings menu. With everything set up, you're now ready to use iCloud with Microsoft Outlook efficiently. If you encounter any errors during setup, recheck your iCloud account settings. Make sure to ensure that you have enabled two-factor authentication on your Apple ID, if applicable. With the correct settings, you should have a seamless experience managing your emails. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.